That's a leaf blower turning cleanup into a game. And a digital tape measure that reads a curve like it's nothing. These are 12 tools on Amazon that make you go, wait, that actually exists? Some are pure genius. One's just brute muscle. Stick around because they get better as we go. And if you love cool tools, hit subscribe. I drop new finds every single week. All right, let's get into it. Tape measures haven't changed in 100 years. This one just did. Meet the HOZO NeoRulerGO. It's a digital tape measure with a laser built right in. Roll it along a curve. It reads it. Point the laser across a room. It reads that too. Flat, curved, weird angles, it doesn't care. And here's the twist. It talks to your phone over Bluetooth. So every measurement lands in an app instead of on a scrap of paper you'll lose. The con? You've got to remember to charge it. But no more squinting at tiny little lines. You drill a screw hole, and either the head sticks up, or you blow clean through the wood. This auto-stop Countersink set fixes both. It sinks every screw perfectly flush. See that collar? It stops the second it touches the surface. No crushed grain, no torn wood. Bits swap in seconds. And the twist? It just knows when to quit, so even your first hole comes out clean. Honest con, it's built for wood, not metal. But for furniture and trim, flawless holes, zero guesswork. Ever try to fit a fat wrench into a tight cabinet? Doesn't happen. That's where the MAXPOWER Stubby set comes in. 2 wrenches, a 6-inch and a 10. Deep jaws, wide mouth, 55% wider than a normal adjustable. The stubby body slips into spots a full-size wrench laughs at. And the twist. The head's slim enough to work under a sink without skinning your knuckles. It's a 2-pack in a kit bag. The catch? Stubby means less reach on big bolts. But for plumbing and tight corners, nothing touches it. Your car's a disaster, and that gas station vacuum just ate your quarters again. Meet the AUXITO handheld. 14,000 pascals of suction in one hand. Crumbs, sand, pet hair gone. But here's the twist. Flip it, and it blows. The same tool clears dust out of your vents and your keyboard. It comes with a nozzle kit for every crevice. Con? The battery's built for quick cleans, not a full detail. But for daily crumbs, it lives in your glove box and earns its spot. Drop something behind the couch again? Do not get down on that floor. The KEKOY reacher is 40 inches of arm you didn't have. Squeeze the handle, the jaw grips, a can, a sock, a water bottle. It rotates a full 360 and folds in half for a bag. And the twist, there's a magnet in the claw, so drop screws and paper clips jump right up to it. It's a 2-pack. Honest con, featherlight stuff can slip if you rush. But for reaching and saving your back, keep one everywhere. A flat tire, and your arm's already dead from a hand pump. Meet the AUXITO electric pump. It hits 120 psi, and it fills a tire in about 20 seconds flat. Set your pressure, hit go, it shuts itself off. Bike, motorcycle, e-bike, even a basketball. Presta or Schrader, it fits both. And the twist, it's small enough to ride in your jersey pocket. Con? It's for tires and balls, not truck-sized loads. But stuck out on a trail? This little brick gets you home. Sweeping is slow. Blasting is fun. The Sakerplus cordless blower turns yard work into target practice. Leaves, grass clippings, sawdust right off the workbench. One squeeze and it's gone. It's light, it's cordless, and that 4-amp-hour battery keeps going. And the twist, it's not just for leaves. Dust out the garage, dry off the car, clear the whole patio. Honest con, it's a handheld, not a hurricane, so don't expect to move a wet pile. But for quick cleanups, way more fun than a broom. Hand cranking a ratchet in a tight engine bay is a knuckle buster. The ACROPOW cordless ratchet ends that. 74 foot-pounds out of a brushless motor, spinning bolts loose while your hand barely moves. There's an LED for the dark corners and a forward-reverse switch right under your thumb. And the twist, it runs on DeWalt 20-volt batteries you probably already own. Gone? It's too lonely, so there's no battery in the box. But if you're already in the DeWalt world, this is the ratchet your wrist has been begging for. Measuring a long wall by yourself is a two-hand, one swear word job. This tool kills that. It's a tape measure and a laser together. Pull the tape for close-up work, then fire the laser across the room for the long shots. That green cross line snaps a level line right on the wall, no bubble needed. And the twist, it does the math for you. Area, angles, the stuff you'd fumble on your phone. Gone? More buttons means a minute to learn it. But once you do, one person measures a whole room. Want to join two boards with no ugly screws showing? You need pocket holes. The BORA jig makes them stupidly simple. Clamp your board, drill through the guide, done. A clean angled hole every single time. It auto-adjusts to the thickness of your wood, so there's no fiddly setup. And the twist, it comes with 50 color-coded screws matched to each thickness, so you're building in minutes. Honest con, it's a bench tool, not pocket-sized. But for shelves, cabinets, and drawers, this is how furniture actually gets built. Trying to cut or glue something while it rolls around the bench. Maddening. The Dremel Multi-Vise pins it down. It's 3 tools in one. A bench vise, a clamp, and a stationary tool holder. Swivel it, tilt it, lock it at any angle you want. Soft jaws grip your work without scratching it. And the twist, suction cup it to the table or bolt it down, your call. Gone? It's built for hobby and detail work, not engine blocks. But for models, electronics, and small repairs, it's an extra pair of hands that never lets go. Sometimes you don't need finesse. You need to take a wall apart. That's the Vaughan Demolition hammer. One solid drop forge head. Pry it, smash it, rip out drywall and studs. The flat face pounds, the claw tears. No motor, no battery. Just steel and swing. And a twist, it doubles as a pry bar when a sledge is overkill. Honest con, swinging it is a real workout, and precision is not the point. But when it's time to get a room, this is the tool you grab first. That's 12 tools worth clearing a drawer for. Every one of them is linked down below. If I had to grab 2, the HOZO digital tape because it finally drags measuring into this century, and the ACROPOW ratchet because your wrist deserves a break. Tell me which one you grab first. New tools every week, so hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.